Así comenzó nuestra aventura. No hay nadie como tú. Es que no hay nadie como tú. Eres el lucero que Dios construyó para alumbrar mi vida con tu luz. Tú eres el amor de mi vida. Por nada en este mundo yo te cambiaría. Eres el propósito que Dios me tenía. Desde que llegas eres mi alegría. Eres el amor de mi vida. Por nada.
Hello people, I'm Chris Ross, I'm from Colombia. I'm a Latin artist living in London but raised in Europe. About me, I love the sport, love the football, love the boxing, table tennis, all about the sports. I love take time with my wife, spend time with my friends, my family. I think I a calm person, I like the chills plans, and I love the music. The music is my life. I love all about the music. And parceros, this is Creators. Let's go.
Si me dejas y si me dejas,
My first steps in the music start when I was a teenager. My friend suggested go to the performance in the train station underground, and I go. After that, I go to talent shows, and in this moment I start to write my songs, and I go to the studio. I meet with a couple producers in Madrid, and in this moment born Chris Ross.
Yo tengo una pluma que me tiene arrebatado. Y yo tengo una pluma que me tiene arrebatado. Me estoy imaginando en tu capote encaramado. Me estoy imaginando en tu capote encaramado.
My initial inspiration is the Latin artists like Maluma, J Balvin, Carlos Vives, some Christian artists like Funky, Redimidos, American artists like Eminem, Snoop Dogg. This is my initial inspiration, but now my inspiration is my friends, true stories, the love, the life, you know. And recently, my new inspiration is my wife. I am feel in love now, and I can write 1,000 songs for my wife because this is the beautiful thing in my life.
que tú no quieres amores, yo no estoy pa' reclamos. Está dura sin ir al gimnasio. Me gusta su pelo lacio. Déjame llevarte al palacio. Y como Fonsi te lo hago despacio. Como Nicky te hago travesuras. Como Dari tú estás bien dura. Calladita como Bad Bunny, pero Chris Ross hace que le suba la temperatura.
Latin music in London. I am very happy with that because here we have a lovely musician, we have amazing producer, amazing filmmakers, we have all the styles, salsa, bachata, whatever. And I think the Latin music is growing now, and I think in the future will be in the good position in the UK scene. Thank you people, thank you for hearing me. I am learning English. This is Chris Ross, this is my Creators, and see you soon, parceros.